Here you see a number of examples. Why a sensor being used for? That can be for temperature, it can be for pressure, it can be for the health of an engine. So you put that sensor at external of an engine and just monitor on an ongoing basis. Every so many seconds you collect data about the health of that engine. That data is then sent often wireless or by wire to your Acuvate data platform, which I explained before, because that data needs to come together there was input for your analytics. All that sensor data we're collecting either internally, externally, by drones, by robots, whatever way you do it, it's irrelevant. You have to make sure you get that data also to your Acuvate data platform, or when it's time critical, to your edge environment, because then we can run AI, as explained before, over there. But there are many examples of edge, and the edge will play an increasingly important role, because we need more and more data to better see what the actual status of the facilities are. And the better data we get, the better we can do our forecasting to prevent failures or bring down production. You see these sensors over here. They're normally battery based. Make sure the battery lasts for a year or longer. They support many network configurations, because a sensor can have many different network configurations, and a lot more than just IP. There's a lot more out there which it needs support. And of course, it works in the energy world, in the fields, in the platforms, used for drilling, for transport, for wells, you name it. Yeah. So think about sensors, and they become increasingly important, and the market gets bigger and bigger for this.